Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to customize and personalize fonts using Excel 2016. So let's start by opening this file I prepared. As you can see in the table, the header and the bottom of the table are both filled by blue color, and the font is white. The content of the table, this is the content, isn't filled by any color, and the font is standard black. You can personalize every aspect of this sheet in the Home tab using the font ribbon. I will change the font type, the colors, and to make it more obvious, I'll insert some other columns by selecting the ABC, right-clicking, and clicking the Insert button. In the drop-down menu, you can choose through different fonts, but first you need to click on the cell that you wish to make the changes. I'll just click in the header of the table and I'll decide to choose, for example, Arial or Arial Black. You can see that the font has changed, as well the size has changed. You can choose through different numbers, or you can just increase the font size by clicking, or you can decrease the font size. As I mentioned, these are filled in blue color, and you can as well change the font even in them. The standard is Calibri 11, but you can change them. I'll make them Arial Black as well, and I will decrease or increase them. And if I wish to distinguish, for example, a name in this table, I can just click in the cell I wish to make the changes, then click the bold button, and I can increase, for example. I can click the italic button. I can click as well the underline button. You can see that here are two options, underline and double underline. If I just underline, it would be with one underline. If I wish to double underline it, I'll just show to you by raising the height of this row. You can see that how it has changed with one line and with two lines. If you wish, for example, to make borders like I've done in this table, you can choose the option borders. I'll just show an example for you. I'll select these cells and I can create borders. There are default borders, and I can draw as well the borders. I'll decide to click the all borders button, and you can see that I have created some borders. If I wish to thick them, to make them more thick, I can click thick outside borders. If I wish to draw some borders, I can click the button draw borders. You can see that I have drawn some borders. I can change, I can erase borders, I can change the color of the borders, for example. If I wish to change the color, line color is on red, as you can see. So that was all for the part of the borders. I will delete these rows because I don't need them anymore. As I previously mentioned, the header and the bottom of the table are filled with the blue color, but you can decide to change this color in this button here, fill color. You can choose through different colors in this in this table, or you can choose no fill, and you can as well decide to choose more columns. You can choose the standard colors, or you can customize it. I'll just decide to click this color, and you can see that I have changed the header of the table, and I can as well change the font with this button. If I decide to click it, just click it, you can see that the numbers are in red, but I wouldn't recommend the red in numbers because it can show a negative, and if I wish to distinguish a number, it would be better if I decide the automatic color, and if I decide to fill it, I can fill it in blue in this case, and I have distinguished the wages of this table in this case. So that was all regarding fonts in the home button. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for other tutorial videos. Thank you very much.